Support her, guys. Show the love and support the Carter family too.
Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear, and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Alright, hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. On doing big up on yourself if you're new to the channel. Big up on yourself if you're always there. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Today we are currently at Ocho's primary, and we are here because it is the third link up location for the Carter family meet and greet. So they did their meet and they're currently doing their meet and greet here in Ocho's primary, and I live like a few minutes out, so I said why not come and meet up for the second time. Yeah, not hurt nobody, not true. So also that I can show you guys what's going on and the update. So currently I'm showing you all across from me. Look, so it's dark, but that's what's going on over there currently. No, it's so dark. Yeah, currently that's what's going on at the Ocho's location. People are going, people are coming, but we're going to head over there so you guys can see what is really happening and what's really taking place. Alright guys, so currently we're where everyone is inside over under the shed, but it's so noisy. It's kind of where, yeah. Did you subscribe? Okay. Oh, you have a channel. What's the name of your channel? You can tell us.
I have a makeup channel by the name of
Turn the way I feel like it better.
a makeup channel by the name of The Inspirational Shan. Makeup channel is
I said The Inspirational Shana. Alright, I'm going to write the name on the screen so persons can see it. And guys, do go ahead and subscribe. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. Okay, yes. Okay, no problem. So, that's a supporter, guys. So let me turn on the camera.
welcome back to The Inspirational channel. And there's a new YouTuber by the name of
Life is Dominique Awesomeness.
So guys, please go over and like and maybe in the near future we will do a collab.
Yes.
Take her number right away.
Yes, make sure to subscribe. Yes, definitely. Alright. I used to do a lot of makeup on my channel. Currently guys, they just had a dance off with the player from That's Pretty Sister, Melon, and I don't know the other person, but they were doing a dance off to CMR's song, Bubble. I don't know that song, but it seems to be a lit song, so yeah.
guidance, yeah? Fancy coming, yeah? Huh? No, we can't take the car.
No, make it stay, make it stay, make it stay. Make it stay, but music happening.
So, I tell you this.
I'll tell you that just turn it down.
Alright guys, so we're in Ocho again with the one that says the cute one from the Carter family.
Yeah, the
cute one from the Carter family. So see that this is a new video, what do you want to tell my subscribers? Because I did get some subscribers from your channel, and that was really good. It did well for me. So what's new that you want to tell them today?
Well guys, it's always I try to see that we are consistent supporters. And she was at the first one, well not the very first one, but she was at one of the bubble shots, which was like the Kingston one, right?
Yeah.
And she's now in Ocho. And it's a joy when y'all come out and support, because this is how each other grow. You understand me? And I want you to know this, as a fellow YouTuber, don't be scared to ask for collaborations, ask for shout out, anything. The only thing you can hear is no. Because you know what, when you get bigger, you're going to have to do that for some people. And you don't tell them no, unless you can't actually. You know, so I always take the time out to try to show love and support and to anybody that's doing YouTube, because that's me personally. And you know, she's a YouTuber, and if we can do a collaboration, and if this is the next best thing we can do, then it's fine. So support her guys, show the love and support the Carter family too. You know, we love her around. They understand me, keep on being consistent, continue to show the people them love, ignore some of the things that you don't want to or like, you know, and just move forward. If you make a mistake, you learn from it. You understand me? And that's how you'll be great.
Yeah, because it's another thing, you know, sometimes you ask a lot, as you said, the only thing you can hear is no, because, you know, you're rich and you ask a lot of questions. But I think that most times they don't respond because probably you're like a smaller community, and because you're not on their level, they don't oftentimes respond to your email or your asking or whatever it is. So, you know, as I said, the most they can do is say no.
Yeah, that's the most. I know it won't hurt you. And sometimes also, another person might be looking at you know how much work I put in my channel for me to just come and let you just piggyback. But it's not piggyback, because I promise you, if I show her support, right, I promise you this, if I show her support and something happened to the Carter family channel and she's now a big YouTuber, I could be like, yo, my channel is down, give me a shout out. You gonna remember when you were a small channel and I was a big one, and then I gave you what, you know, so that's why you reciprocate. You show love, I show love. And we gotta do, that's how YouTubers in Jamaica need to live and grow. If we support each other, we'll be the greatest. You understand? Because the overseas, they do that. They don't hate, they don't criticize, they don't nothing. So just show the love, and that's all. So I'm happy to see you here again. You know, so go and do your thing.
I'm happy to be here again. So thank you, and take care of yourself.
Alright, bless you.
Bye.
And I hear you're lacking bad. I will do it. Beat them up.
My boyfriend actually did my hair.
Allah, tell.
Yes, he did.
You promote him?
No, I don't.
Your name to promote. She don't want no girl come back. Yeah, that's you know. She not promote the man.
But you don't know, you have to work them and you see the money in your pocket.
Yeah.
So,
Bless them, yeah? Them are calm.
Bye. Alright guys, so we are leaving. I hope you guys enjoyed that little clippings of the Ocho meet and greet. I saw 2 subscribers. Shan and Janice. Janice, she said she name? I don't want to forget the name. Big up on yourself if you're watching this video. Yeah. So I came to the Carter family meet and greet, and I don't know. This can I repeat from the last vlog? We never know where I go. The last vlog. I don't know. So I was saying that this is so funny and this is so nice at the same time. I came to the Carter family meet and greet and saw 2 subscribers. Yeah, that's good. Alright guys, we're gonna look food for eat and see what will take place next. What's that? See what will take place next. So if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Let me put on my seatbelt. Please go ahead and subscribe. Like this a bit. Like, share, leave a comment, and when you subscribe, do hit the post notification bell, because that is very necessary in the YouTube world. Why is the car still saying in park and brake? No, so guys, without watching, I'm showing it to them. We're in Ocho, and that's about it. Oh, update. They said CMR is performing tomorrow at Salem, but I'm not sure of what is the event going on in Salem tomorrow. So what you guys, if you guys are interested, if you guys did not get to see them Kingston, Mobe and Ocho, you guys can go check them out tomorrow. Salem. Go over to CMR or the Carter family or Real Chrissy or Watch Chrissy Work page to see if you guys can see the update or anything like that. I'll definitely go ahead and search for it too and post it in this vlog for you guys to see. So we're gonna look food, and that's about it for this vlog. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in another one. So take care, guys. Take care. Bye.